Right, well, this is the amplifier all back together, and this is my makeshift work table, 2 cardboard boxes, as I said in the first video. That's where I was working with the tools at the side of me, and like I say, I'm going to show you now what my workshop is going to, well, what it actually looks like at the moment. So we're going to go through here. Complete mess, and that's what it looks like at the moment. So that's it. In the next video I'm going to show you it all wired up, the amplifier, and working, and then take it from there. I thought I'd just let you this video is just to show you what it's, you know, what it's like at the moment, you know, when you're moving and you've got stuff everywhere. Well, you can't help but try your best. But hopefully, I mean, I've had it switched on again, the amplifier, and it seems all working, no problems. So anyway, next video, all wired up, working, and it should be like new again. Thank you.